What's up, guys? Not much. I guess project updates, because it's been a while. We've been working on things slowly. The MR2 is complete. I've basically done everything in here, rewired the entire car from headlights to taillights. Nothing is stock, nothing's OEM. It's all 100% rewired. Dash is hooked up and everything. Like all these switches work and everything. Clusters wired up. Everything is together in the car. I'm just missing a couple more panels. I don't know if I should put carpet back in here. I wasn't sure about it yet, but I mean, pretty clean for a little, 1990s car, back in the day, throwback type car. But I mean, it's not bad. Everything's done in here. Project's complete. I haven't started it yet, so I'll probably start the next video, but at this point, the car's done. That's why that's why I picked up the new project to get started on. We've been working on that. That's the next project on the list. But everything's done in here. Even like, oh yeah, wiring, like I gotta put this kick panel back on, but like all the wires have been redone in the car. Everything should work. I have not fired it up yet. But I trust my wiring, so I'm pretty sure everything is pretty much good to go at this point. So all right, let's go ahead and let's check out all the new stuff we got. All right, so as you can see, we got some new parts in the mail. Haven't opened up everything yet, so we might open some of this stuff up in a second. But as you can see, we picked up 2 valve covers because I need a valve cover for that, because I don't like the one that's on it, so I'm gonna put a new one on it. Same thing, I need a nice valve cover for that, so that needs a new valve cover. Got a couple K-Pros, 2 0506s and then a 0204 K-Pro. I wanted to put K-Pro 4 in here, and I wasn't currently on K-Pro 4, so what I did was I sent my ECU out. Honda upgraded me, and now I got brand new K-Pro 4, and I needed K-Pro 4 in here because I probably was gonna run a race dash or something like that. So we got another K-Pro 4, and then we picked up another K-Pro 4 for this. And see, that's why this hasn't started yet, because I didn't have an ECU. But I have an ECU now, so I can probably just load up a tune and knock that out. Next thing, the fun stuff. Let's set this over to the side. The good stuff. Miata came through. These are the guys, if you need any K2 Miata stuff, hit them up. They're legit. They sent me the transmission, the flywheel. I guess it's the transmission to K series adapter plate. Really high quality here. Really nice billet plates. Everything is labeled too. Like, this is what really counts, guys. When you get stuff in the mail and stuff is labeled correctly, that really means a lot. So let's go ahead and pop this box open, because I haven't opened this yet. So this is our flywheel adapter plate. This is the, so the K2 E36 transmission adapter. So you got to run a flywheel adapter. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, but Miata came through. Great price on this stuff. The guys there, definitely plus. So I guess let's pack this back up and let's get to the next boxes. All right, so last new box we got for the killer. Yeah, actually it's not a killer, it's slow as crap. But picked up Mishimoto radiator and the cooling fans. I have not had trouble cooling this, but I figured let's give it a try. I haven't had this in this car yet. Like, this car is still bone stock cooling system. Like, everything's pretty much factory, because there's no need to upgrade it if it doesn't work, right? If it works, why upgrade? Yeah, so everything does work, but what we're gonna do is we're probably gonna go ahead and upgrade to a better radiator fan setup. A lot of people use these on, if you track race your car, you start pushing your car for like, extreme temperature, stuff like that. it's probably good to upgrade your fans and your radiator. Obviously it's been, I mean, 10, 11 years maybe. Haven't had a problem with it, but we're gonna upgrade. So let me pop these boxes open because I have not opened these yet either. All right, so got this out of the box. This is actually kind of nice. I really wasn't too sure on the quality on this thing, I guess I would say. But it looks nice, guys. I really don't have anything bad to say about it. The only thing I was kind of concerned about was these like little push pin, like I guess these like covers. If these might like vibrate and cause like da 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 da, I don't know. That would be really loud because especially if you have like motor mounts in your car, your whole car's vibrating. Maybe you can take these off. I don't know. Who knows? But that's really the only thing about it. But it looks good. I mean, the plugs, heavy duty wiring and stuff on this thing. Looks nice. So let's go ahead and pop the radiator open. All right, quick jump back for a second before we fully get this out. This thing is packed extremely well. I will say that some people don't pack their stuff that well. And two, they even said, please recycle after use. Man, look at these people trying to save the environment. And look at me with my non-Cadillac converter vehicles killing the environment. But as you can see here, it's very well packed. Same as the fan shroud. That was like really like in there. Like they had foam on like every square inch of this thing to make sure, I guess, it doesn't get messed up in shipping. So let's go ahead and get this out. So looks nice. Actually didn't know this. Came with a nice brand new Mishimoto cap. These are actually better caps. I have one of these caps on this car here. But yeah, guys, it looks nice. I think it should fit. I'm kind of upset I won't get to see this nice M on the front of this thing because I still have AC in this car, you know, so street car, you know. Still have AC, so the AC condenser will be in front of this. You won't see it through the bumper, but looks nice, guys. Let's spin this thing around. Looks like it has all the correct fittings. Looks like it should fit in the car. So, all right. That's it as far as unboxing, as far as the stuff we have left. I might make a DIY video on, is that gonna stay? No. All right, but I might make a DIY video on getting this in here. If you guys want to see that, let me know. So we'll do a full radiator install and bleed the coolant system on that. And then two, you already saw from the beginning, we got our ECU for this. So we're probably gonna fire this up because I've just been waiting on the ECU because you can't start the car without the ECU. But other than that, car's complete, ready to fire up. And we need to go ahead and get the engine out of this thing, and let's go ahead and get that transmission adapter on and put the K-Series in. So, all right, guys, don't want to keep this video any longer than it is. Got our new stuff in the mail. If you want to see any videos, just let me know. Whatever you want to see, it'll come next. But all right, guys, later.